everyone, today let's talk about the crankshaft front wheel. This oil seal made of rubber and metal. There is rubber and there is metal. The color is black, there is green, there is silver. The size is internal diameter is 94 and external diameter is 120 and the sink is 12.8 and 16. This oil seal have many following features. The first one is vulcanized at low temperature and more wear resistance, high temperature and good brush resistance, good structure, aging resistance and oil leakage prevention, mud pro water and ticking skeleton, and it is applicable to heavy truck. Our factory also provides customers service. Welcome everyone to inquire and order. If you are interested in this product, we also can send you the free samples. Welcome.